everyone, welcome to social science class. Today we will talk about the factors affecting India's climate. First, latitude. Look at the map carefully. What do you observe? You observe that the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. It runs from run of Kutch in Gujarat up to Mizoram. This line divides India in two parts. The southern part is the tropical region and the northern part is the subtropical region. And that's why this part has the tropical type of climate in which temperature remains high throughout the years and winters are not very cold. And the subtropical region, the summers are hot and the winters are cold. Next is the altitude. All of you know that the Himalayan range of mountains make the northern frontiers of India. These mountain ranges work as a climatic divide between the Central Asia and the Indian subcontinent. They act as a barrier for the cold winds which blow from Central Asia and thus protect India from becoming bitterly cold during the winters. At the same time, they also work as a barrier for the southwest monsoon winds which blow in this direction and they cause rainfall in the whole area. If there had not been the Himalayas, the monsoon winds would have gone up to the China and the whole northern part of India would have remained dry. Next, pressure and surface winds. Pressure, here we are talking about the atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure and the wind condition over India are unique. During winter season, there is a high pressure north of the Himalayas. And all of you know that the winds always move from high pressure area to low pressure area. High pressure area is created when there is very or steep fall in the temperature. So during winters there will be always high pressure. Okay, so during winter season high pressure area is created over the north of the Himalayas and because of that winds blow from land to sea. These winds are dry and that's why most part of India do not get any sort of rainfall during winter. But as the season changes and during summers, the Tibetan plateau gets heated, the northwestern part of India becomes extremely hot and because of that, low pressure area is created over Ganga plains. And this thing reverse the direction of the winds. Means that the winds which were blowing from land to sea, they start blowing from sea to land. And these winds which blow from sea to land, they turn towards right. Why do they turn towards right? They turn towards right because of the Coriolis force. According to this force, the wind gets turned towards the right hand side in the northern hemisphere and towards the left hand side in the southern hemisphere due to the rotation of the earth. So the winds gets diverted towards the right hand side and they enter India from southwest. And these winds cause rainfall almost the whole part of India. These winds are known as the southwest monsoon winds. Next, the upper air circulation. The upper air circulation includes jet streams. Jet streams blow over a height of about 12,000 meters. As these jet streams blow over 27 degree to 30 degree latitudes, that's why they are known as the westerly subtropical jet streams. The westerly subtropical jet streams, they are blowing from west to east. So these westerly subtropical jet streams blow south of the Himalayas throughout the year, except in summer. During summer season, these winds blow north of the Himalayas and thus evacuating the space for the monsoon wind. Likewise, during the same season, the subtropical eastern jet streams, they blow over the 14 degree latitude, and these easterly jet streams help in the spreading of the monsoon winds. Now, the last factor, the western cyclonic disturbances and tropical cyclones. This is the weather phenomenon of winter. What happens in the winter? As I told you, as I mentioned earlier, the westerly jet streams blow over south of the Himalayas. So these westerly jet streams pick up the moisture from the Mediterranean Sea and they affect the weather conditions of northwest and north. Because of these western disturbances, snowfall takes place in the Himalayan region and rainfall takes place in the northwestern part of India, some part of Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana, right? And when the western cyclonic disturbances take place, the winter, the temperature is also affected in the plain areas of India. Then there are tropical cyclones which generally takes place in the during the monsoons also and during the months of October, November in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea region. Most of the cyclones originate in the Bay of Bengal region. So these all were the factors which were affecting the climate of India. That's all in today's lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.